Dear manufacturers, today, we bring vital information that concerns your business. BIS certification is now mandatory for polyester yarn and polyester staple fibers. Let's dive into what we'll cover. The list of mandatory products, product specifications, effective date, and how MindSync can assist you. Welcome to MindSync, your compliance guard. I'm Baston Benny, and you're watching MindSync's BIS series. MindSync is a professional organization providing compliance, consulting, and advisory services. Let's first look into the mandatory standards. Polyester continuous filament fully drawn yarn. Polyester partially oriented yarn. Polyester staple fibers. Now, let's talk about the effective date. It's currently effective from the 5th of October 2023, so now in order to sell, manufacture, distribute, or import these essential products, BIS certification is indispensable. Failure to comply will result in penalties. Now, let's dive into the specifications of the products. The first Indian standard we'll discuss is polyester partially oriented yarn. This standard outlines requirements for all types of virgin and recycled polyester continuous single multifilament or monofilament flat fully drawn yarns for various end usages. Please note that the standard does not specify requirements for parallel, doubled, or plied polyester fully drawn yarns. The polyester fully drawn yarn shall be wound over bobbins, with each bobbin holding up to 11 kilograms of yarn. These packages must be properly packed in pallets or cartons, securely strapped using polypropylene (PET) straps. Packing materials should be roadworthy, airworthy, seaworthy, as agreed upon between the buyer and the seller. Next, let's move on to the second standard. This standard specifies requirements for all types of virgin and recycled polyester partially oriented yarns for various end usages. The polyester partially oriented yarn shall be wound over paper, plastic tubes, with each package containing 4 to 24 kilograms of yarn. Similar to FDY, these packages must be properly packed in pallets or cartons, securely strapped using polypropylene (PET) straps. Packing materials should be roadworthy, airworthy, seaworthy, as agreed upon between the buyer and the seller. All wooden pallets are to be heat treated, and all wooden, paper packing should be free from infestation, fungal growth. Lastly, let's discuss the third standard. This standard specifies requirements for all types of polyester staple fibers, including virgin fibers, recycled fibers, dope-dyed fibers, cationic dyeable fibers, and other polyester specialty fibers for various end usages. The polyester staple fibers shall be packed in the form of bales weighing 275 kilograms or as required by the buyer. These bales must be securely packed with woven fabric stitched at sides, top, and bottom, and properly strapped using polypropylene (PET) straps to ensure protection from weather, dirt, dust, and water. Now, you might be wondering, how can MindSync assist me in this process? Well, here's the answer. At MindSync, we understand that navigating the certification process can be complex and time-consuming. That's where we come in. We're here to support you throughout the entire certification journey, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. Our team is well versed in the intricacies of BIS certification, and we're committed to making the process hassle-free for you. Partnering with MindSync means you have a dedicated ally, guiding you from documentation to the final grant of certification. We prioritize your success and adherence to quality standards. So, if you are looking for a reliable partner to streamline your BIS certification journey, look no further than MindSync.